I'm a film composer.
I'm Lorne Balfe, and I'm the composer for Tencent's Endgame.
At the beginning of each project, we always talk about what musical choices would best help us to tell the story. This game's story was unique because players have the opportunity to choose different heroes from any era. Also because Project N is a mobile game that can be up to 10 players at a time, and the battles become quite elaborate.
We have written a lot of music for the game and put in great effort in each piece of music with extensive research in the musical direction. We tried to add many different musical approaches to this game, including the use of synthesizers to try to enhance the overall sense of scale, depth and intensity.
In some scenes, we added choir so we could intensify the battles.
We used the choir to help the player feel that they are in a battlefield, full of warriors, giving the gamer the feeling of strength.
I love percussion and the powerful sound it brings to the score. This time, we invited all our incredible musicians to the well-known Air Studio in London to record all the pieces.
We have collaborated for a few times now. Tencent is a great company to work with. They have a professional team of sound designers and project managers. It is always an amazing process working with Tencent, and we constantly seek new ways to bring surprises into the game for the players.
My name is Dawn, and I'm a Foley artist here at Technicolor, and we're about to do a cloth pass for these awesome video game characters. So as they move, I'll move and make the sound of their cloth.
I'm Alicia Stevenson, and I'm going to do some sword shings for this video game on the amazing historical Technicolor Foley stage.
Hi, my name is David Jobe. I'm a Foley mixer here at Technicolor Sound in Hollywood, California. And I like to say I record the magic.
These visuals that they have created at Tencent have just been phenomenal to work with because there is so much inspiration and so much detail within each of the characters.
Nice, that's the magic.
Great. My name is Jesse Garcia, and I am a sound recordist here at Technicolor Sound Lab.
Double tap! Untuk membatalkan skill ultimate.
Ấn đánh để tung đòn đánh thường.
เพื่อจารึกชื่อของผู้ชนะ 니놈들의 머리를 꿰뚫어 주마.
Now pick your favorite hero, connect your speakers and start fighting.
So turn up the music and enjoy this game.